Get away from me! I didn't mean to do that.
I know. Shouldn't we go check on Rose?
You're crazy lady.
Billy, don't let him take me. Tell him I don't want to go.
Take you where, honey?
What's going on?
This is Miss Thomas from the Department of Social Services. No, you're the one who's crazy. Rose does not belong in a mental hospital.
It's a temporary sedation until we find a full-time opening elsewhere.
She'll die if she doesn't stay on the corner. I can take care of her.
How? She's a week. Complete meals. You're in no position to provide these facilities for yourself or her.
I believe you'll find life as a quite actual. Then, Billy and Rose can come and live with me.
And where might that be?
Well, why don't you come by and take a look? What would you like to see first? The kitchen, the library, or...